In this series of videos, we wanted to showcase some of the different meanings behind the term design automation, the different problems that can arise and how these relate to you and your business, along with some potential solutions and benefits. This video explores design automation for trigger automation. There are many businesses internationally who have been utilizing 3D CAD data for digital prototyping, optimization, and analysis for many years. Alongside this, they are likely to have deployed a data management solution, whether a Windows folder structure or perhaps more sophisticated systems such as Autodesk Vault. This combination of tools can bring immediate improvements to many aspects of a design, engineering, and manufacturing business. However, each individual organization will have their own particular processes and workflows, sometimes requiring large administration overheads and lengthy manual processes, reducing productivity and efficiency across an organization. In day-to-day operations, how can you spot these opportunities? Here are some common statements we receive where companies could benefit from trigger automation in Vault. Some of these may be comments you have made or perhaps heard in your own organizations, and all areas that design automation could help address, from the automatic creation of 2D DWGs or DXF files for production, to automatic creation of PDF visualization documents for released drawings, to automatic document metadata updates, equivalence checks, or file organization. So how can we help address these overheads and help maximize productivity and efficiency throughout your teams? As you can see, there are a number of potential solutions, from our own Symmetry Servileo Vault tools, providing options to generate particular files or undertaking certain tasks during Vault lifecycle transitions, to configuration of more standard Vault workgroup or professional lifecycle transitions, through to creating a fully customized Vault job processor task, which opens up a wide scope of options to ensure things are fully tailored to your organization. There is always a right solution to suit the size and complexity of your requirements. Here is just one example of a possible solution for PDF production in Autodesk Vault Professional. This can be achieved manually by a right-click option, which generates the relevant PDFs for the selected data in Autodesk Vault Professional, then puts the generated file in Vault next to the originating file. Or perhaps you also have a requirement to locate these generated PDFs on a company network share for others in the business. Once configured, this can be set to trigger automatically upon release of documents within Autodesk Vault Professional, culminating with the most up-to-date information in the right place at the right time for all users in the organization, delivering a simple but effective solution to lower the overhead of manual administration tasks in your teams. So introducing design automation with a focus on trigger automation within your organization can provide improved compliance, increased productivity, and also decrease duplication. So get in touch today and see how we can help you achieve more.